A very warm welcome to Astro Yogi channel and wish you all a very happy new year 2021. We all must have spent really happily and joyfully with our loved ones, family members and near and dear ones. January marks the beginning of a new year. This month is all about corrections, resolutions, goals, plans and the path that we all choose to what? To ascertain that the year turns out to be good. So basically, this month, January month, is also called the planning month, isn't it? Because the previous year might not have been ended on a very good note for some. For some, they must have experienced really the best time of the year, spending time with their family members, working from home, etc. Unfortunately, for a very few, it must not have been a year because of hard hitting reality. Looking at how the previous year we all have dealt with, we know that we are going to cautiously take a few steps, make choices, and take decisions so that the upcoming year turns out to be better, happier, and contentful. We all know that the tables that we are setting are going to be turned to a very happier life, right? We all are welcoming the new year strongly, truly, with strength and courage. We all have shown the previous year has helped us to deal with the crisis boldly and hope for a better tomorrow. Will January 2021 be fruitful in terms of finances, in terms of career, with our loved ones, family ones? Will my love turn out to be a blossom? Oh, yes. Can we expect commitment? All of such questions are going to be answered right here. With the expert astrologer's help, they can get a very great sneak peek so that the upcoming year holds on with bold and future moves accordingly. Hi, I am Tara Polak from Astro Yogi, and today I'm here to take you through all 12 horoscope signs for the month of Jan 2021. If you all are watching this video and have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe and request to press the bell icon to get all the latest video updates related to astrology, horoscopes and tarot. Please feel free to give your feedback in the comment section right below. Right? Here it goes. Next sign, Capricorn. Capricorn is a sign that struggles to relax, for it always has some projects, mission, task, or goals that it longs to fulfill. This can sometimes be because Capricorns can project its self worth onto some external world, seeking validation from achievements, but it's always something fundamental in your makeup. You are not one to be idle, even if you are sitting your mind still, but you will be taking things very seriously. With Venus in Sagittarius on the 4th of January, you manage to achieve a great deal and more when others assist you. It can be challenging for you to accept help because you can be a solitary individual, but you can learn a great deal about collaboration and connections. On the 28th, as the Venus moves into Capricorn, which creates a favorable friendship period, you will feel deeply connected to your loved ones. On the 5th, as the Mercury moves into Capricorn, which can draw you away from spirituality and deeper into your realm of imagination, making this a prosperous time for creative endeavors. On the 25th, as the Mercury moves into Aquarius, which prosperous time for creative endeavors and also fortifies your education and may lead you to going overseas. Post the 14th of January, the time can draw problems in your relationships with your father. Explore what you need from one another. Speak with your truth and true nature and exercise compassion so that these wounds can be healed and finally resolved. Have a great time, Capricorns. This is a generalized prediction for all 12 horoscope signs as per the planet transitory positions. In case if you want a very detailed astrological predictions, then please click on the link below given. You will get all your answers to your questions too. Have a great time.
Astroyogi, India's #1 live astrology app.